Now, increased cost of transport is negatively impacting the productivity of government workforce, according to the Union of Kenya Civil Servants. The Union Secretary General Tom Odege says most government employees cannot afford basic commodities due to high transport cost, which has stretched daily expenses besides jeopardizing critical public services.
As the coronavirus pandemic continues to wreak havoc in the job market, that has so far seen an estimated 800,000 jobs lost in the private sector, stakeholders are now issuing alert on the impact of COVID-19 in the civil service when it comes to work output. According to the Union of Civil Servants, productivity is only at a quarter of normal operations, with critical government offices mostly offering selected essential services left understaffed as strict health measures are enforced. According to the Union Secretary General Tom Odege, this is partly occasioned by high cost of living that has reduced productivity of the workers.
Those who are working at the borders are now working extra time because they are now forced to do even the work of security, because some of them are forced to now restrict movements which were not there before. So the public service currently, those who are in the service are overworked. But those who are working in areas where the services are scaled down, the public is suffering because they are not getting the services.
Escalating transport charges, the union says, are now beyond many civil servants.
The transport cost has risen twice or thrice, but they are maintained on the same wage. We are not trying to tell the government to give more money, but you will find that at the end of the day, these people are not able to deliver services throughout the month as they used to do, because it reaches a point where they can no longer be able to go to work because of the cost of transport.
The union asks that all civil servants should be treated as frontline workers due to their frequent interaction with clients and be provided with PPE kits and adequate insurance cover.
Every public servant who is in contact with the public should be given the same, so that they should not fear going to work for the public, so that we can be in a position or a direction trying to normalize the service delivery to the people of Kenya, because we are not going to live in fear forever.
The union is now pushing for an increase of civil servants' allowance to mitigate against the adverse economic effects of COVID-19 pandemic. Benson Rioba reporting for Channel 1 Business.